What is up, everyone?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to another vlog. We have another van update vlog. We're pressing on, and we're doing the framing now, aren't we?
Finally, we're onto the walls, we're doing the framing. We've already started just a tiny bit, haven't we?
Yeah, we've done a little bit just to kind of test the waters, make sure we know what we're doing before we actually film.
Yeah, do you want to show them what we've done so far?
Yeah, so as you guys can see, we have a massive mattress in here. The reason why we have it in here is because we thought it's best to actually get the biggest thing in so we can kind of work around it and really figure out like where the framing has to go and all that, right?
Yeah, because although the walls are going to come out to here, the bit for our heads or the mattresses, as you can see, it goes beyond the framework.
Yeah, so it's going to have to be inset here.
We had to get the mattress in to work out basically where that box inset bit would be.
Exactly, but it's looking, yeah, it's looking pretty good so far with the framing. It's going to be very tricky because obviously the van has a lot of curves and we're basically trying to make it into a square.
I mean, we started off with these horizontal pieces here that run the whole length of the van.
Yep.
And now we're just putting some vertical bits in between.
As support,
Got loads of wood here, but we really have no idea what we're doing.
We have no idea. I mean, when we get to like these areas here, we're sort of like, what are we going to do? Like, how is this going to work?
So the next piece of wood we've got to go in is this piece, and I've just cut it. And it should be a perfect fit. What was that?
One of those just dropped out.
Oh, my bad. I hadn't screwed it in yet. So that's a perfect fit.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to do these pocket holes, which I'm going to do on there, and these are really, really great.
Yeah.
So that's going to be the frame now for around the bed. So let's go do these. That's a good fit, actually. Let's go do these really pocket holes. So I think this little thing here, this pocket hole jig, is probably the best tool we've bought for the van build.
It really is.
Literally.
It just makes it so easy.
Down like that. Pocket hole done. One done. Straight away, just like that.
Yeah, and then you can screw into that and put the two bits of wood together.
Yeah, I'll do the other side as well.
Make it nice and strong.
Oh, it's just so good.
It's just so easy, isn't it?
Saving so much time, and then do the other side as well.
Yeah, because otherwise it'd be really hard to put the frame together, wouldn't it?
It would be, yeah, awkward, and you'd probably split the wood.
Yeah.
Whereas like this, you won't split the wood because it's pre-drilled.
Yeah.
And it's pre-drilled in a smart way. So, last one. And then take it to the van.
So once the wood is in, we've got this little like angle thing to make sure that we're screwing the wood at right angles.
Just to make sure we got everything square, as we can't use anything else.
Yeah, because this van is not square at all.
It's not.
It's not rectangular, there's no right angles, everything's just off.
And then they give you these, sort of special screws, which I'm just going to put in now. And I'll tighten them up once I've done that side. But yeah, that's just like a really, really solid piece of structure then, isn't it, basically?
Yeah.
And they just go in like that, basically.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Looks strong.
They are decent.
So yeah, we're basically just going to be doing this for the next couple of days. It's just the same thing over and over again, isn't it?
It's going to be a couple of days at least by the time we've figured out all the complicated angles and everything.
It's going to be hard.
So we won't bore you with it all. We will skip to when we've done the framing.
Yeah.
I hope it skips to something.
Hopefully.
I hope we don't give up at this point.
No, I don't think we will.
You'll know in a couple of seconds. We'll know in a couple of days.
Yeah.
So yeah, see you there.
So we have basically gotten a little bit more done on the framing, and as you can see, we've put the mattress in.
Yeah.
And it looks like it fits. However, if you push down on this, it's like the boning of the mattress.
It's like the wire frame of the mattress
is being pushed out, so it's not great. And also look at that big lump over there.
Yeah, huge lump.
Which is really annoying. Now the thing is, we've already bought the mattress.
Yeah.
But we can't obviously resize it. There's no way.
No, you can't resize the mattress, and we already built the boxes either side.
Yeah.
For the mattress to fit in. And the trouble is we don't want to make the boxes any bigger because we want to be able to get a certain amount of insulation behind those boxes.
But also we're quite limited because the van actually tapers in over there, so it's not as wide in the back as it is right here. Yeah. So because of that, we're not actually able to push it in any further to make it bigger.
What we've done is we've ordered a new mattress, which
really
is 3 inches smaller, but ordered a new mattress, so small double for sale if anyone wants it. Let's get the mattress out actually and show them what the boxes look like.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the mattress out, and this is where we've got as far as framing goes. This isn't actually structural at the moment, it's
Yeah.
just in there to show where the bed is.
Yep.
So the most challenging part was building this box. We've used these pocket holes for basically everything. These are a lifesaver. But definitely the most challenging part was building this bed box. Because the outside walls are going to come here, but for the bed, I'm 6 foot tall, so we needed a wider space. So these bed boxes, yeah, we've got 6 foot. They go in here, outside walls there, and then on the outside of this bed box, we've got, okay, I forgot the names of everything. It's like some kind of sun UV. What's this?
Yeah, it's the silver thing here.
It's like water vapor barrier. It does more. Okay, it does lots of stuff.
Yeah.
And then we're going to tuck loads of insulation down there, and then basically we're going to build the walls, but we need to know where certain things are, like the sockets. For example, if you want a light switch there or a USB socket to charge your phone, you need to know that now. I can't put the wall on and try and get a cable behind after. So we're in a difficult stage now where you've kind of got to do a little bit of wiring to progress any further, haven't you?
Yeah, and we have also got more framing to do at the tops here, maybe a bit more structural beams here.
Yeah.
But that's just tedious little things, really.
We're still waiting on some stuff. We've got aircon unit coming soon. Batteries should be coming soon. I think we're going to line the floor here with the batteries, maybe this side of the wheels, just because it's quite a lot of weight. And we've also got to think about balancing weight of the van. A lot of stuff's on this side, kitchen units and everything. So you want to counter that and get
water tank maybe on this side and things like that.
Yeah, water tank on that side. So yeah, we're getting there. We've still got loads of these uprights to do.
Yeah.
So all here and here, we've got quite a lot more to put in.
Yeah, and then another challenging thing that's going to happen is we're going to have to build a window frame on both sides, which I have literally no clue how we're going to tackle that. Whoa!
The main challenge with that is that the window goes up towards the back.
Yeah.
So the window isn't even straight with the van. Like this actual frame part goes up.
It goes up and then this bit goes slanted like that, which is why we've built that like that.
So that is going to be a challenge, but we'll get around it. It's a really nice day. It's 1st of April. It's like feels like the first day of summer right now, doesn't it?
Yeah, it feels amazing. So what we've done so far is we have just basically marked out kind of where we want certain things to be. So we decided we're going to have the hob there, we're going to have the fridge underneath. I think we're going to have the sink probably there, yeah. Matt's just marked it there. And then like the switches are going there. Yeah. You've marked it all out, haven't you?
Basically,
so you kind of got a better idea.
So we know where to put the wires, yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, we're going to have a lot of the switches and stuff next to the bed here. We're going to have an LED strip. So yeah, just kind of planning where things are going, aren't we? Alright, so this is what we have done with the window.
Yeah, so just before we did anything else, we thought we'd better do the window frame, since we did the bed boxes. So yeah, we've just boxed it in for now. We'll put some plywood there later on. We've also done some additional
support beams
uprights, and we think we're going to put some insulation in actually, because we thought, do we want the cables against the outside wall of the van, or do we want the insulation against the outside and the cables on the inside?
Yeah, it just made sense.
Yeah, I think we're going to do a little bit of insulation first. We'll see if we can get some down the back of here as well.
So what have we been doing then?
So before we move on to the electrical work, basically we thought we would want to know where our electrical components are going.
Yeah.
So to do that, we've put this sheet on the wall, as we've decided to put some electrical components there and a water tank there. But I need to build some framing, so I've just built this frame here, which I think fits now. Right, yeah, that fits. So that's the wheel arch frame, and I'm just basically measuring up to build some kind of like box across here, something to hold the water tank, lift it off the ground a little bit, and something down here and across here to like hold the batteries so they don't move around. The last thing you want is like a battery flying around, you know, that's like the last thing you want. We've actually got our batteries here now, they've arrived. Yeah,
these are the batteries. It's pitch black on camera, but
I'll lift it out here then.
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy. So this is the Renogy lithium battery, 100 amp hours. What have we got? 6 of these.
We've got 6 of these, so we're going to have plenty of energy.
So the reason we got 6 of these is because we have some really like intensive equipment going in. You know, we've got the air conditioning unit, we've got an induction hob. We decided to go with no gas, no propane, so everything's electric. So we're going to need a big powerhouse battery bank for that, aren't we?
Yeah, we will. And we've also decided to keep the like water and the electrics kind of separate on either side of the van, haven't we?
Yeah, so water's going this side, tanks there, pumps there, electrical's this side. I'm going to build some kind of dividing wall, and I've left this open so I can get to everything behind for now.
Yeah.
But yeah, just building these boxes at the moment really.
Yeah, it's time consuming, isn't it?
Yeah. We have built some stuff.
Yep.
I'm thinking this should fit now. That should go there.
So this is where we're housing partly the batteries and then the water tank, right?
Yeah, so that's going to sit there. Water tank.
Our water tank's massive.
I know that fits, but I haven't checked that this fits on top yet.
That's what it does. Ah,
Yeah, that's
perfect
good.
fit.
And then we're going to build some kind of like, what we're going to build, like something to hide it later on at the front.
Yeah, just so that it's nice and slick.
But this is really what I just finished, so.
Yeah, this is a bit confusing. It's really
measured.
confusing to build.
I measured lots for this there.
Does it fit?
Yeah, that fits because I've still got to build this wheel arch box here.
Oh yeah.
So I need framing there and
Space for
room
the MDF.
Yeah, the plywood there. So,
Yeah.
but let me see if the battery fits in. Look at
Does
that.
it fit? Yay!
Once that is bolted to the van, there is no movement in that.
That looks good.
So that's going to stop all those motions, but obviously it could still
Yeah.
come out. So we need to,
Like a strap or something.
yeah, we need to secure it.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm
Well done.
excited. As I was saying earlier, we're basically going to mount the electrical components on this sheet here.
Yeah.
Really easy to get to from behind that way.
Yeah, it's gonna be so good. Alright guys, so little update. I've just been painting the framing and like this kind of inner part of the garage, which is actually looking really good. I use this really like foamy roller to get the perfect finish and it looks really, really nice now. And we're also doing some cuts. We're just building the left side of the wheel arch now. We actually got this special like hoover thing that basically sucks in all the sawdust and it's really great, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good because I've got this like plugged into that now, so the dust extractor's on,
Yeah.
but it turns on when I literally turn the saw on,
Yeah.
which is really cool.
It's really good because now you can do all the cuts outside if you've got like longer bits of wood.
Yeah, it's not like 100%, it still leaves some, but I just like clear it off afterwards. I'm just going to do this cut.
Pretty good.
I would also work with the, you know, the circular saw.
Oh yeah, the circular saw as well. But yeah, that's the
So
cut.
I'm building this box like basically the same as that.
Yeah.
So that's.
This one's a bit more tricky though because you're gonna have to kind of like.
Well, you can see I already made that one shorter.
Yeah, you have to make this one shorter because this obviously battery is gonna be in here, so we kind of had to like come out a bit.
Hey, do you know one thing that we've like done that we
What?
haven't mentioned?
Oh yeah.
You mentioned the insulation, right?
No, I haven't.
All right, there's two things then, because we said like I don't know, probably 5 minutes ago in this video that we said we were going to insulate.
Yeah.
We did a lot of insulation.
This is the update of all the insulation. It's not 100% finished. There's still like a few panels missing that just keep falling out. But yeah, we're
Also,
gonna
though,
finish that.
there is another thing.
Oh yeah, we haven't shown them.
Well, that's because we were waiting for them from Italy for
Oh,
3
yeah.
months.
The wheels.
I mean, yeah. So you got the alloys from Performance Alloys. They took 3 months to come.
Oh,
We
they were
thought they
so
were in
long.
stock. Like they gave us an ETA every week of, oh, it'll be there in a week.
Yeah, but finally they're here. This is what they look like.
We've got the tyres done at Quick Fit. These will actually, the letters will go white. It's just like, I think it's a film that just comes
Yeah.
off. We'll just like wash it.
Looks really good though now. Like the tyres that we had before were these here, which we are going to sell.
Yeah.
But like they just looked a bit silly because the van is so big and like this area is so small.
But I think
So-
you're also now contemplating like maybe a step.
Yeah,
running
which we
board, I
don't know
think.
where to buy one from, do we?
Look, that is quite a
Really big steps.
quite a step.
And for me as well, because I got even shorter legs, it's even harder.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm just painting the box that we have just built. We put some plywood and then we've also got the top to do as well, but
Yeah.
this is it so far.
We built the frame of this box, the side, both sides there.
It's looking
And also,
good.
we also put a side panel there and a side panel there. Again, leaving the top open for now because I think we're going to have maybe cables running in there and maybe
Yeah.
pipes running that side.
Yeah, I've got lots to paint, but getting on with it. What do you guys think of the colour? Let us know. I feel like it goes quite well in the garage space.
I think it actually looks really dark on this camera. It's not as dark as it looks on camera,
Yeah.
which is strange. But yeah, what have we got left to do today? Just literally paint that box and that's it, right?
Yeah, pretty much. And then the next step will be doing wiring, which I think we'll do in the next vlog.
Yeah, I think we'll start getting the electrical components back on, the batteries back in. Obviously we've taken all that out now because we're painting.
Yeah.
But I actually think this colour will look good on the walls as well.
I think so too. I guess we'll see. I mean, this is the one we're using, in case you guys are wondering. It's called Cannonball. It's a matte for walls and ceilings.
Yeah.
By Dulux.
And it says 1 coat, but it's more like 2.
Yeah, but it is really thick actually, even with 1 coat.
Oh, it's way better than stuff that would usually be like 3 coats probably.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, that is our little update of what we've been getting up to on the van.
Yeah, sorry this one's been so long. The clips at the start of this video were actually from 3 months ago, before we started the house project.
Yeah, if you guys haven't seen that, make sure you check it out. We'll link it in the eye.
Yeah, definitely. But I think that's it for this video.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.